Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the 14th Arabic alphabet. The 14th Arabic alphabet is SAWD. Its sound is similar to Sin, but it is pronounced thicker. Let's watch SAWD. Hi, my name is SAWD. SAWD, SAWD, SAWD. For your understanding, you can spell SAWD in English as SAWD, SAWD. It sounds like the English word saw, saw, saw. How to pronounce SAWD? SAWD, 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 SAWD. The words starting with SAWD are Saqar means hawk, Sadaf means seashell, and Sunduk means box. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.